Hello everyone, my name's Jason Mays. I'm a web engineer here at Google, and today I'm going to show you how to use the machine learning system we've built. But before I do that, I'm going to show you how to upload videos and create them so you get the best experience possible from this system. Well, it's quite simple. You can use your standard smartphone shooting in say 1080p or 720p even, either is fine. And all you want to do is capture objects in their everyday situations you're going to be seeing them in when you want to classify them too. So, as an example, I tried to classify a Red Bull can, and you can see from this video here that I've just taken a video of it in its everyday surroundings near my desk, for example, and we're getting it in different angles, different parts of the video, different lighting conditions is also helpful, from the top and the bottom. And notice in this video right now I'm not actually holding it with my hand, and in other videos I am actually holding it in my hand. So you've got a nice variety to show that your hand is not necessarily part of the object, which might lead to a misclassification of your hand in the future. Once you've got enough footage, let's say 5 to 10 minutes of video of the can in various situations, you then want to repeat the process, but instead of having the can there, you actually want it not there. And as you can see, that's all you need to do. Just repeat that in different locations for a number of different situations, and you then have video you can use to be uploaded as part of your classifier. So once you've got those videos, you simply place them into a folder, and you label the folder name as the thing you want to classify it as. So here I've called it Red Bull Can, and then I've called this other folder Nothing. Now if you're comparing other things, you can see here I've got cats and dogs as well here. You can then also put those into their own folders if you so desire. Alright, so we now know how to make video for our classifier, but how do we upload this to actually generate the classifier? Well, simply log into the system and click on Create Classifier. Enter a suitable name for what you're about to create, so here we're going to classify humans, cats or dogs, and click Next. All you need to do then is zip up the folders containing your videos, and then drag that into the grey box so that it uploads. You'll get real-time feedback as it uploads, and will be taken to the next step automatically upon completion. It should also be noted that when you zip your folders up, they should only ever be one level deep. So if we look at this one, for example, you can see that this folder contains all the videos related to cats, this contains all the videos related to dogs, and this one all videos related to humans. Inside of these, there's no subfolders. These are just MP4 files within that folder. The folder name is what the classifier will call that thing upon classification, so the name is important here. Alright, our video is uploaded. The server is now going to process that and turn it into a real classifier. As you can see, it's going to take a while to do this. It can take in excess of 25 minutes for around 10 minutes of video, so depending how much video you've got, it can take more or less time. You'll get real-time feedback as to what's happening on the server side, as you can see here, and once it's complete, you'll be automatically taken to your My Classifiers section, and if you want to come back later, simply refresh the page and come back to My Classifiers by clicking in the left-hand navigation, and you'll see your pending classifiers being created. And once again, you can see the updates happening in real time. Once it's complete, it will turn into a solid block like one of the ones on the right here, and you can simply click on one of those to enter the real-time preview of the classifier. You enable your webcam, hello there, and you can see that it now recognizes me as a human, which is what we wanted. Now as you saw at the beginning there was a slight error, it thought I was a cat, and you can change the confidence levels using the sliders which will be exposed in a future version, so you can tailor it to not misclassify things in the future. But it's doing pretty well, so I'm happy with this. I can then share by simply using the link at the bottom and sending it to my friends, and they can then view the same experience to preview it. And that concludes the tutorial. If you've got any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, enjoy, and I look forward to seeing what you're going to make.